Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, today is March 20, 2024. It's Wednesday. So, still I'm on vacation here in the Philippines. So, my brother and sister, I'm here now in one of the famous resort here in Laguna. This is one of the province here in the Philippines. So I just travel with my motorcycle. So this is the place, my brother sister. It's called Bato Spring. So in English, it's called the Rock Spring. So it's a very nice place, my brother sister. So the water here, my brother sister, it's cold. There's no heater. This water is coming from the mountain. It's a natural water. So it's very nice view. Let's go. I will show you, my brother sister. I'm using sunscreen, my brother sister, so it will protect the skin from the sunlight. Today it's Wednesday, that's why it's not busy here. This is the place. Very nice place, my brother sister. So from my house in Manila to this area, it's around 2 to 3 hours of motorcycle. It's a good adventure, my brother sister. Very nice view. There's one more swimming pool there on the top. So we will check it out. So that's the first one. This is the second one. Then there's a small pool there on that side. So total of 3. And there's one more in the bottom of this area. All natural water, my brother sister, coming from the mountain. I will show you the third pool. So maybe next week we will start again to train. So our body will be pump again. This is the third pool. It's a natural water, my brother sister. See the water. Very nice view. So we are on the top of the mountain, my brother sister. Then the water is coming from the mountain. It's a fresh water. Okay. So I'm still on vacation for 1 month. Then maybe later, next week we will start again to train. So maybe we start some one big muscle and one small, maybe bicep and chest or back tricep, then shoulder traps, then legs, just to move the body, the physique. So that's it, my brother and sister. I hope you enjoy the video. So this is one of my schedule or my program when I'm on vacation. I just go to the resort just to relax, my mind and my body. Also, it's good thing, so our body will be taking rest for the training. So that's it, my bad sister. For the time being, I will cut the video. Then I will update you again. So have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training, my bad sister. I'll see you again. Peace.